This video is sponsored by TRW. Fits right the first time. Visit trwaftermarket.com to learn more.
You're not doing the customer any favors by installing just one strut, spring, or bushing. While the bill may be half the price, they could be paying more than the full price down the road. This car had a broken right rear spring. The owner replaced only the spring and strut in that corner. This made the handling erratic, and the headline patterns were not aligned with the road. This pickup needed a new right front lower control arm because the bushing was torn and causing noise. The owner installed just one new control arm. Now the left front is making noise and the inside edge of the tire is worn to the steel belts. In both cases, doing half the job compromised the safety of the vehicle. This is why some chassis parts should always be replaced in pairs. I'm Doug Kaufman. Thanks for watching.
TRW. Fits right the first time. Visit trwaftermarket.com to learn more.